Okay, but you know when you come across a problem, don't pull the car to either side.
Yeah.
Stop in a straight line if you need to, but look in your rear view mirror.
Yeah.
The reason why I'm telling you off is because what's happening is on this test route there's lots of hold back positions where you need to slow down, which clearly you're doing. But when you're slowing down, you're pulling it to one side.
Yeah.
You're making it harder for yourself. Okay? When you're ready, move off, take the next road on the right, please. That's the best you can do, that's fine. Yeah, good. That's fine. You dealt with that. It's okay. It's nice and slow with your feet. That's fine. At the end of the road, turn left. Traffic lights, turn left. What you initially did was correct,
Right.
but on reflection you failed.
Yeah.
What you did initially was absolutely spot on.
Should have stopped like that before.
Yeah. I could hear your head spinning. But what you've done now is you've landed in the box.
Yeah.
And the problem they'd have with you is you're obstructing the little place on the left. We're now taking the next road on the right, please, towards Holt Park approach. Look at the floor markings, make sure you make it in the correct place. Don't do it too early. Start your routine. Mirrors and signal, look at the floor markings, don't get it wrong. No. Now. Look at the floor markings, now go in. It's where everyone gets the test wrong. That's lovely. Does that make sense when you look at the floor markings?
Yeah.
So the first one that you saw towards you first, that's for people from this road turning into that side road. We're now taking the second road on the right, that's the first. The second just after this red building, brown building, whatever.
Red brick. Same thing.
Yeah. Speed is very reasonable. At the end of the road, turn right.